Then you go the other way, down 2 over 1.
Right.
And then it intersects at -1, 3.
Perfect, guys. Nice try. Alright. How's everybody feeling about this so far? Wait, I'm one more time to have the big notebooks. Okay. Alright. So, next up, we're going to do this one together. Example 3. Y equals 1/2 x plus 2, and y equals 1/2 x minus 1. Okay. So the first line, the 1/2 x plus 2, where does that one start? At 2. The 1/2 is the slope. So it'll go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. Draw your line. And the second one is -1, and then up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. You know something? You think you know the answer? Okay, give me a second.
I think I know what to do.
Kaylin, say it to me.
It's parallel because they have the same slope.
It is, but what's the answer then? Where do they cross?
They don't cross.
So the answer is?
It's keep going.
They're not gonna meet.
Yeah.
No solution!
Gosh, Kaylin.
Because they are parallel. Do you see the candlestick in there too?
Kaylin, I'm so proud of you.
I need you for a minute when you're done teaching.
Okay. So everybody write parallel lines. If they're parallel lines, it is no solution. That's a big message. All right, anybody think they understand infinite solutions? When would something be infinite solutions? Yep.
When it's like a direct.
You were thinking perpendicular, weren't you? Yeah, but they cross, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't work. Yeah, what do you think?
Is it when it's just straight on a line and they just keep going on? So
Uh,
it's up?
What do you mean by straight on a line?
Like it's
Like straight flat or straight?
yeah, just straight flat.
No.
Gosh dang
We're
it.
thinking about two lines and where they cross. Where would they cross infinitely? Yes.
Is it where the slopes are reciprocal?
No, that would be perpendicular lines, and remember, perpendicular lines do cross once. Okay.
I don't know.
What?
Are they the same line?
Yes. Good job. Go get a prize. So, if they are the same line, if they turn out to be the same line, it's infinite solutions because they're crossing everywhere.
I'm so excited for the science test today.
I'm not.
Kaylin, I'm sarcastic.
I know.
Our test is on Tuesday.
Okay. We are going to do, are you guys ready? We're going to do one more example, and then I'll be done. Are you okay, Abby?
Yeah.
Okay. You're just having fun, pretending? Okay, so the next one, let's try. I want to do this one. Y equals 4/5 x minus 2 and 4y minus 5x equals 9. Okay, so what do you think we need to do with this one? Get the y, or otherwise known as get the y by itself. All right, so we're gonna get the y by itself. The top one looks great already, right? We could graph that one, no problem. This one, we need to get the y by itself. So I'm gonna add 5x to both sides. So now I have 4y equals 5x plus 9. Divide by 4 on both sides. So now I end up with y equals 5/4 x plus, I wrote a bad example. I'm going to change this. You guys are my first class, I'm sorry. I made this one up off the top of my head. So change this to an 8 over here, or make this one an 8. And this will be a 2 now, because 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay, so then I would graph this one and this one. All right, so let's graph these. Example 4. Oh, I'm changing one more thing. My gosh, I'm being a jerk. Okay, don't worry, it's not a big thing. I'm gonna just change this to a negative sign. So I want this to originally be a -8, this is a minus, and this is a minus. By the way, if you ever notice that two lines have the exact same slope, you can just say no solution without graphing them. Okay? Or if they're the same line. This one, thanks for being chill with me changing things. I know that that drives you crazy. X and Y, let's see, the top line has a y-intercept of -2. And then it goes up 4 over 5, like that. And then the second equation also has a y-intercept of -2. But this one goes up 5 over 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 4, like that. So what's the answer to this one? Mm-hmm. 0, -2. So the lesson here is that sometimes you have to solve for y first before you graph it. Okay? All right, the homework is page 395, numbers 11 through 16, and Monday will be a work day, so this will be due on Tuesday, and it's only 6 graphs. Not too bad? Okay. You can get started on it for the next 10 minutes.